No.
No hurting Tia.
I'm not gonna hurt Tia. Hurt Tia.
Over the threshold!
She's like hot. So this is gonna be my new pose.
With Tia's crouch right there.
Nice position.
Uh-huh.
Taking a shit?
Yes.
Like, okay. I'm gonna fall down. I have good balance. Yeah, I like the worst.
There's something in my bra. Thank you, Aurora.
Huh?
She threw sunflower seeds.
I'm like, whoa.
And there's something cold in my bra, so I don't know what it is.
Is it Nathaniel's pants?
What?
Nathaniel's pants that are cold in your bra.
He's not here.
This motherfucker is cold.
He's not here. Yeah, but he is cold. Remember Tuesday or something?
I mean, imagine how your penis feels.
Oh my god.
Penis is how they got.
Wow, what the fuck is this?
No wonder why it takes us 2 hours to get a fucking hard on. I mean, imagine the light from a penis. They're like, oh, why are you suffocating me with this rubber too? It's a fucking black hole! And sometimes it smells like shit. Gargantua.
Any comment, OJ?
No comment. That was very true.
This shit cries.
Are your hands cold? Come here. Let me see your hands. No, he's pretty warm.
My hands are like a fucking incubator. My hands are always cold.
Yeah, I know.
Like, you make it really hot outside. Come sit your hand.
Oh! Sorry.
Cue the applause. Cue the seagulls.
Cue the seagulls! I'm too sexy for my pants. Cue the seagulls. Yeah.
That's Cameron told us my way. Hey camera, how you doing? Hey look, I am 5'6", single, and looking for any women out there.
Under 20.
Under 21.
I'm Tia.
And she's adopted. I'm adopted. I'm like 5 minutes away. Wait a minute. You just said half of it. Finish the rest of it off. I'm like, yeah. That's all I was gonna say.
RJ.
Hi. How you doing?
Huh? Okay, ready?
Hello?
Oh, God. Yo, Herbert the pervert!
Herbert the pervert.
I like good.
It goes like this with the thumbs and the thumbs. What?
Empty road. For attention! That's why I sing this song.
For attention.
Yo, I want to stand up to people.
This is my crew right here. You fuck with them, you fuck with me. I don't like being fucked with.